Looking for a dessert that's bursting with citrus flavor and perfect for any occasion. Hello guys, how are you? Today we are making a delicious orange cake that's easy to bake and impossible to resist. So don't waste the time, let's go to look at how to make orange cake. It's called that in Spanish budin de naranja. So let's go. Here's what you will need to make orange cake. So that is the ingredients. Please go into the description box. I give to all the details. Please check it. Here I used to the all-purpose flour, 150 gram, 150 gram sugar, 150 gram eggs, 150 gram butter. It is called that quattro. Also I used to the dry orange zest. You can find to the any cake shop, and fresh orange juice, lemon juice, and orange zest also, and baking powder and sugar powder. Now I cut the dry orange zest like a small cubes. I prepare the cake mold, grease with the butter. My mold is ready, so I put to inside the freezer the mold before use the oven. By the way, preheat your oven 170 degrees Celsius. Now I take in a large bowl, cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Now I add the vanilla essence and continuously mixing. Add the flour, baking powder and dry orange zest and pinch of salt. Gradually fold together. Now I add to the 1 teaspoon rum. Now I add to the orange zest and stir in the orange zest until the batter is smooth. The batter into the pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. In the moment, now I prepare the orange juice. I add to the 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix well. 35 minutes is up, so I am now check my cake. My cake is ready, so let the cake cool. Now I add the orange juice. Before I add the orange juice, I do the little small holes into the cake. Now I add the orange juice over the cake. Take a side and do the rest of the cake. Now in the moment I prepare the lemon juice. Now I take a powdered sugar in a bowl and add the lemon juice and very well to mix with the whisk. Now I do the glazing over the orange cake. It is totally optional. This is for a decoration purpose. If you like, you can do that. If don't like, don't do that. Totally optional. I add some pieces of orange over the cake for a decoration purpose. Look at this soft, moist and full of orange goodness. This cake is perfect with tea or coffee. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it turned out. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gourmet Aroma for more delicious treats. See you in next time.